Wait, look at that. Look at that.
Tell me, will you really think it's more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, I'm gonna be doing something very quick, very simple, half ready made. It is called a chicken sandwich, right? So without further ado, let's get things going, let's crack on. But I need you guys to support me by subscribing to the channel, MosToosifar. Also, if you do me a great favor, it'll be a great deal, it'll be amazing, is if you switch over to Instagram as well, follow me there at MosToosifar as well. And now we can begin the show, shall we? Right guys, as you can see, that's my baking tray. I've got some chicken already here. These are chicken fillets. Let me pronounce that properly. These are not frozen, so I'm just going to put it in the oven for about 10 minutes, right, just to get things going, okay. Put it in there for 10 minutes. So here's what you want to do, 2 baguettes, right. Cut it down the middle, 1, 2, 3, easy job, yeah. Then what you want to do is just try and spread it apart, but not too much. Yeah. You don't want to break the bread. You just want to try and carve out the inside. Right, and then just pick it out. There's a hole there. Oh. Right, let's see what we can do, eh? Let's get rid of all of this. Okay, that's enough, leave it there. Here's what you want to do. Spoon of that, a little bit more, it's not going to hurt anyone, okay. With a pinch of salt, of course, and a bit of pepper. You can also add a little bit of turmeric in there and all. Okay. But we're also going to add a tiny bit of pepper. But a little bit. There you go. Probably can't see that in the camera, but that's enough. All we need now is some water. And what you want to do is spread it. This is a quick 2-minute thing. It's not going to be difficult making this. Paste, sauce, whatever you want to call it. Right. That is basically ready, guys. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Turn off the heat. As soon as the water and the tomato puree mix up, happy days, Bob's your uncle. Alright. Look at that. Simple, right? And now, just gonna take these bad boys out of it. See how we're doing, right? Leave it on that heat, let that chop those down the middle, right? So it can fit in your bread. Yes, I know I'm using the knife upside down. I don't need you to tell me that. Don't worry, these are still half cooked. They're not obviously fully cooked, which is perfectly fine because we're still going to put them in the oven again for another 10-15 minutes. So then it will cook fully in the second round. You want to bring this forward, get that out of the way, get that out of the way. You want to get some of your sauce, not too much, just a dip, right? Just so there's some colour in there. That's all it is. Not so much to that side where there's a hole, but you know, there's that. We'll put some in on the sides. And then this one. Okay, but really, we're saving the main bit for the outer layer. So you just get your chicken, stuff it in. Like I said, don't worry about it, it's not cooked. I know it's not fully cooked. We'll be alright. We're not going to be having any raw food, don't you worry. Yeah. Get that last piece in there and all. And now, get your sauce. Cover the top. Okay. Can you guys see that very well, very clearly? How's that looking, guys? Is it looking good? Or is it looking dry? Yeah? And now, let me get rid of that. You want to get some cheese, right? Cover the top. And there you have it. Oh, I might need some help with this one. Just place them in there like so. Be your normal, average, stingy person and just put the rest of them in there. Yeah? Get rid of that. Actually, get a little bit more cheese. You want to just cover the whole front. Yeah. Any other bits that you guys can see that I can't see in the camera? This is going to be so nice. Right. Let this bad boy go in the oven 10 minutes, yeah? Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Let me just quickly zoom into that for you lot. Wait, look at that. Look at that. Does that look yummy or what, mate? Ooh. I mean, the bread has spread it up and all of that, but Subway, I'm coming for you. So here's what you want to do, right? You want to make sure it's not stuck. You want to make sure it's not stuck to the base of your baking tray. And you definitely want to watch out so you don't burn yourself, because it's hot. Yeah. I'm gonna make an attempt of cutting one, see how well we do. Hopefully we don't make a big mess. Yeah. There we go. Not too bad, eh? Right. Let's move this over. Put that there. You want to get your plate. And then flip it around. Place one in there. Place the other one in there, right? And also final touch, a few bits of black pepper on top, and there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, your chicken made sandwich. It took maybe in total 10 minutes, 15 minutes to make. Bon appetit, enjoy, make sure you share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come